Hello students! If you're watching this video, it means that you are just about to do a checkpoint. So a checkpoint is basically a point in time that I need to check your understanding and make sure that you're on track. To do a checkpoint, you need to do a SOCRATIVE quiz. And this video that I'm making right now is to show you how to take that quiz. So this is my web page, and if you're on this, I'll just scroll down to where the checkpoint will be, which will generally be at the bottom. So here is the checkpoint. There's a list of instructions that you can follow, and I'm also going to be adding underneath the instructions this video that I'm making right now to show you how to take the quiz. First thing that you have to do is click on this link. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and click that now. It's going to take you to the SOCRATIVE site. Okay, so this is the SOCRATIVE homepage, and here is a student login button and a teacher login button. You are going to be accessing it as a student, so you will click student login. First thing that comes up is the room name. Now you're going to put in my name because it is my room, and you'll go ahead and type Mrs. Marini with no spaces. If you do put a space in there, it's going to say this isn't right, okay? So take the space out and join the room. Then it's going to ask you to enter your name. Now I want you to enter your class first. So I'm going to put for H, I will pretend that I'm in Mrs. Hattow's class, and then I will put my first name and my last name. So I want you to put your names, of course. Don't put my name, you put your name. And then the quiz will come up. Now this is an example quiz. I've got 3 questions. What is Mrs. Marini's favourite colour? Not pink, not purple, I think it might be green. So I'm going to go ahead and click that. What level is Mrs. Marini up to on Pokemon Go? Well, we've been doing pretty good. We're actually now up to level 27. So I'll submit that answer. And the last one, what must you never do in science class? Should you never ask a question, never swing the tabletops, or never do the scientific method? Well, I hope that you always ask lots of questions and you always use the scientific method. So I think B is definitely the right answer. So I will submit that. Sometimes you might get a score when you submit your quiz. It might tell you how well you've done. Sometimes it won't. Depends on how I've set the quiz up. So that is basically it. You take your quiz and then you submit it and the marks come straight through to me. So it's really easy. Now what you need to remember to do, and this is super important, once you've taken the quiz, you need to log out. So if you go over here to the menu, you can refresh or log out. I want you to go ahead and click the log out button, and you are sure to log out so it will be ready for the next student to come and take the quiz. Okay? That should be pretty easy, and I'm looking forward to seeing all of your marks and responses with my SOCRATIVE quizzes that I will set up for you in the coming months. Bye!